An Islamic extremist with an arsenal of loaded guns was prevented from opening fire on churchgoers after he accidentally shot himself in the leg, French officials said Wednesday. The suspect, an Algerian who had lived in France for several years, was arrested in Paris Sunday after he shot himself and called for an ambulance. He was waiting outside his apartment building for first aid when police arrived. They followed a trail of blood to his car, which contained loaded guns and notes about potential targets.
Documents were also found, and they prove without any ambiguity that the individual was preparing an imminent attack, in all probability, against one or two churches.
Officials visited two churches Wednesday that were potential targets of the arrested man. The 24-year-old computer science student was flagged as a risk for intent to travel to Syria by security officials last year. A search of his apartment in southeastern Paris turned up more weapons, including 3 Kalashnikov assault rifles. Police also found Arabic language material that mentioned Al-Qaeda and the Islamic State group, along with phones and computers.
Research of computing elements which were seized in the car or the home of the man allowed us to establish that the individual was in contact with another person who might be in Syria and with whom he corresponded about executing an attack. That person urged him to target a church.
Police have also linked the suspect to the death of a 32-year-old woman who was found shot to death in her car Sunday morning. The suspect was treated for a leg wound and remained hospitalized. Matthew Burgoyne, Associated Press.